Hey, hi, Angel here up in the Foo Dog treehouse, enjoying some last rays of sunshine. The sunset's happening out there in the distance, across the horizon, and I guess it's happening up there on the mountain too in its own way. I don't know if we can see the mountain from here. Anyhow, I am really enjoying changing my perspective, and I hope you do that regularly too. I think it's so important to change your perspective so that you can appreciate what you got and what other people have and what other people don't have and what you don't have. The more we broaden our perspective by changing it, I guess, by moving ourselves, by traveling, by listening to others, by putting ourselves in other people and creatures' shoes. Thinking about Sapphy Cat's perspective right now. She doesn't see too good, but she might see better than me for all I know. I don't know. I just know for a cat, she doesn't hear or see real well, but she does hear and see. She likes to follow me around during the day sometimes, like now. So clearly she does. And yeah, I just wanted to remind you that it is important to change your perspective, get different perspectives, not get stuck, stagnant in just the one perspective, because then you're going to be what we call small-minded, and nobody wants that. So, no, it's just to bring you a happier life, more of an ability to appreciate things, the more you broaden your perspective. That is my 2 cents about that. I hope you're enjoying your perspective, whatever it is, wherever you are. Oh, I dropped my sunglasses. I'm going to show you some more sunset. Speaking of perspective, I'm in Albuquerque, New Mexico. This is my mega sculpture I call the Foo Dog. I'm up in the inside the head of it. It's a pretty funky paper pummycrete, I call it. It's got lots of cracking, although it's holding up pretty well. It could use a little repair work to keep it, little maintenance to keep it, from getting damaged any further in what are now non-critical cracks, but could become more critical if I don't take care of them. So anyway, I was just kind of out here looking at making a mental list of cracks that I want to fix on this and on my Head Hutt Mega-Sculpture. That's over there. I can see it on the other side of this tree. And yeah, the weather here in Albuquerque has been just amazingly awesome, amazingly wonderful. We don't hardly get any moisture, very little moisture, although the mountains have gotten a little, not as much as they usually do, but some. And this kind of sunshiny blue sky day is we probably get 300 of these a year, if not more. We get good weather here, at least so far. Seems like it's been, if anything, even better than usual since the whole climate change trend has become an issue we're paying attention to. So that's me sharing my varied perspective with you. I'd love to know what you're looking at, what your perspective's like. If you want to give me a shout out down in the comment section and tell me about it. Can you tell me a story? Can you paint a picture with words? I'd love it. Tell me where you're from. Till next time, peace.